JSON is text-only format and can be used in data exchange between two systems or client server. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. Though it follows JavaScript notations, it's only a text. It's a self-describing, that is human readable and language independent. JSON syntax is very simple. It's a key value pair separated by commas. It has curly braces and square brackets to hold arrays. JSON and XML are similar because both are human readable and are hierarchical structure. Most of the programming languages have parsers for both JSON and XML. Though both XML and JSON are similar in many cases, there are some difference. First is JSON doesn't use end tag, and JSON is quicker and easier to read and write.
Let's create JSON file first. At the left side of your screen, you are seeing XML file that we have used in a previous example when we saw XML. Similar to XML, we are creating JSON file here. So on the right side, we will be creating a JSON file. So it is similar to your dictionary in Python. So I am creating department is a key for which I have multiple entries. So I'm taking those entries as an array. So this is my array of each and every faculty here. So let me enter the first faculty. Name, I have to give value, so I'm giving a value here, comma, surname, comma, age, subject, Python. So this is my first record created, comma. If you see on the left hand side, it's the same name, surname, subject. So let me create a second record. So name again, sign up, surname, comma, and then age, sorry, subject, a comma, Java. So this JSON file is similar to your XML. So you can here itself see the comparison. There is no starting ending tag in JSON like in XML. JSON is easy to understand than XML. Both serve the same purpose of passing the information from one end to another end. So let's close this first. So my array is completed over here, and this is my employee. So this becomes my JSON file. So let's save it as .json. So I'm saving it. This is saved as department.xml. Here I'm saving this as department.json. Let's try to read the JSON file that we have already created. So for that I require import JSON package. Let's read the file first. So I'm writing f equal to open. I'm trying to open the file that we have created. So it was department.json. So this was my file. X equal to f dot read. So I'm trying to read the file. Y equal to JSON dot loads. So I'm loading the file into Y. The file is X. So I'm trying to read the values from that file. So y dot values, it's a dictionary values for I in C. So I get multiple values. So I'm trying to print every value. Print I. So let's see what output we get. I got all the records here. If I want to print first record, this is what I get. Now if I want to print only name, then I give dot name, and he will print me name from the particular record. So this is all about reading from JSON file. Let's try to convert Python to JSON. So take a Python dictionary and convert to JSON string. So for that I require import JSON package. I'm taking a Python dictionary. So let's create one. Employees. I'm having multiple records, that's why I'm taking an array here. So first record, name, value, subject, value. So this becomes my first record, comma. Let's have second record over here. So again, name, value, comma, subject. That's a key value pair, Java. So this is my dictionary ready. Converting this to JSON string is done by a single statement. So I'm writing y equal to JSON dot dumps into bracket x, the string that we have taken. Print y. So this is my Python to JSON.